And also we have seen some challenges, especially at the intake works where there is some vandalism deep inside the forest. And also that is a big challenge because the infrastructure is brand new, and we are here with our security officers. We have sensitized them on the need to be vigilant, and also we are calling on all stakeholders, not only in Nyeri but all over the country, to watch over the water infrastructure for sustainability and future generations to come. On the management team, our engineers and the contractor, to look at those sections and if it's possible to remedy the works, because we owe it to the people of Nyeri and the people of Kenya value for what they have invested in. This is an in-house thing. We'll have to a little bit put our house in order. I acknowledge it is a challenge because the quality of our work has to be up to the required standards. And I will have a conversation with the management at Tana so that whether there is need to do more capacity building, we start working on it. If there is need to have some exchange of ideas, because I know training happens all the time, and especially to keep up with modern technologies, there might be need to once in a while do some capacity building. I think we have programs on that.